So welcome back. Last time I talked about the Resulta 7 adding machine, and what I want to show you here is the view of the family of those machines here. And for example, you have the Resulta BS7, which looks identical to the other one. I don't know what's the difference, frankly. Now you have the Resulta BS9, and now you can tell the difference because you have 9 columns instead of 7. You have the Resulta P7. So what's the difference with this one is on the back here you have a printer. So when you want to print, just press here and you can print the numbers over there. That's another P7. This one that's very nice too, and it looks exactly the same as this one, but this one is a Comet SK, so it's kind of different. And also the difference is that you have 8 columns instead of 7 or 9, but everything else is the same. You have to put the numbers here, and then you can reset, you can add, and so on. Now if we go here on the right, we have something called precise, which is pretty much the same behavior. You know, you put the stylus here in the wheels, and then you can see the result here, and you can reset here. What else do we have here? Hoffritz. So Hoffritz is nice because it looks exactly like the Resulta, but you don't need a stylus. You can move the wheel simply by your finger. So that was kind of later, and this is made of plastic, so it's kind of cheaper, but still it's very useful and very easy to use. You don't need a special styler or anything like that. Now we have this model here, which is the Todd, T-O-D-D. So this one is like those machines here, same principle. You know, you move the wheels here, you have the numbers displayed on the top, and there is a special function with those keys here to reset the numbers. So this one was older. Todd was making more like what they call a check maker, where they could print checks, and they say, why don't we make a calculating machine at the same time? So this is what they did. Now this one is nice, all wooden machine. Look at that, not bad. I like it. I mean, I like the construction, all wood, but it's the same thing. You know, you add numbers, and whenever you reach 10, check, the other one moved on. And finally, on the right here, we have what I would call a monster. This one looks more like a cash register than a small adding machine compared to the other one. It's much bigger, but this one is very special in the way that instead of moving the wheels, you see the wheels are fixed here, you move the cursor on the bottom. So let's say that you want to add $5.25, you have to put your finger on the 5, bring this one up, put your finger on the 2, 25, and that's the first one. And then to add, you do like the real cash machine, and everything else is displayed on the top. So this one is kind of the monster compared to the other one, but anyway, nice family of calculators. I tried to get one of each to compare, but they're mostly working all the same here. Oh, thank you, and see you in the next video.